What's up, guys? And I feel so much better today, except for one little thing. It's not even Halloween, and guess what? See that? That's fucking snow. Oh, let's get that. Fuck. Do it for YouTube. Star. Snow. Yup. It's cold out here. Luckily, fortunate enough to have a heated shop. Garage. What qualifies the difference between a shop and a garage? That beats the hell out of me. But I got both of them going. Camera's all wet. I'm still holding off, guys. I'm still holding off. I'm hoping for one more day. One more nice day we can take this out. I just want to beat the ever-loving heck out of it. Now, I know you guys know what I'm talking about. Every year at the end of the year when winter comes, if you're one of the lucky few in Florida, you can fuck off. Or any of the nice states. Any of the nice states, you'll fuck off. Well, I love you. But I'm holding out for one more time. At the end of every winter, or at the end of every summer, at the end of fall, after boot season and all the fun stuff happens, everyone feels the same. And it's like, God, I wish I would have drove this more. So I'm not tearing this apart. I still have hopes. But the hood is open on the old slow ball. Now today, I'm going to talk about how to install it. I've already got one installed, but I'll kind of walk through it with you if you're watching this for kind of a how-to. But this intake has never been off since we installed it 4 years ago. Yeah, I have no idea what the filter looks like. So today, we're going to take this off. I'm going to show you how to install, how to disassemble, and how to clean the filter. Open the hood, dummies. That's where you start. So I'm going to go ahead, jack this up, get the wheel off, and I'll show you what's up. One thing I've actually always kind of liked about Britt's car, I assume all Cobalts have it, but it's got these actual like jacking point arrows right on the side skirt. It's pretty sweet. Oh, 19mm like every other GM and my 240. Okay, so once you get the wheel off, you got this inner fender liner here. It's these push pins, like that one. It'll actually just pull, the top pin will pull out, then it'll come out. So let's go ahead and get this off and see how dirty this is after 4 years of not touching it. Don't go this long without not cleaning your air filter. See if I can record and do this. Just got a small flathead here. Alright, this is really hard with the camera in my hand. Okay, well, you'll see there, maybe, it just pulls out like that. And once you get those, you'll have these little bolts are just tiny 7mm. We'll go ahead and get those out. Okay, once you get these out, there's one more under here that goes to this tab here. Push that back so I don't lose it. Then you should just be able to kind of fold it back. I just kind of stuck it in the strut tower. You'll kind of be able to push back, and you'll see where this sits, or where you'll insert the new one. It'll come right up there through the hole, the factory hole. So first off, I want to make sure. Yep, I got the MAF unplugged here, so when I pull it out, I'm not gonna forget. and yank on wires. So let's go ahead and take the actual intake out. We'll pull the filter. We can pull that off through there. Ooh, that's not going to be good. I can't really see as of now. It's too dark. But let's pull that off. And we'll leave the math plugged in because I won't actually have to take this out. But for you guys that are installing or uninstalling, just make sure you remember to. Ooh, where is it? There it is. Just make sure you remember your math plug. Come on. Sweet sound. Click. Okay, let's get a straight. Get the filter off. Whoever invented the straight screwdriver is literally the devil. Okay, now this is a ZZP intake. Remember, it's a 4-inch intake. Pretty large. Can't really see you back there, it's too dark, but it's larger than 4 of my fingers. Here you go. Now this is not great. It's a K&N. This is what came with the ZZP intake. So I'm gonna actually look around and see if I have an old intake. Otherwise we're gonna clean this one out and get her back in. You can still see through it though in some ports. Okay, so I thought I had an extra filter, but I don't. A lot of questions, and it's okay because it helps me answer a question I've actually got a few times. One, with my K&N filter or my drop-in pod style filter, do I have to get the cleaning equipment and they sell and the grease oil to put on it? I don't on street cars, and here's why. That oil, I mean, it sticks, everything sticks to it, which is kind of the purpose of it. But on a street car, you're constantly picking up a lot of that stuff. You're constantly pulling in dirty air. So, I mean, you're just asking to get plugged quicker, I guess. I mean, this has been on there 4 years. The car is running great. I've done a finger swipe in the intake, clean as a whistle. So, I mean, and we never addressed the filter when we originally put it on. So my answer is no, you do not need that cleaning supplies, but I'll show you how I clean it. Okay, so some people might not agree with my method, but I like to use brake clean. I'll spray this all out, and then I'll use the air compressor and finish blowing it out. I mean, just the pressure with the brake clean really gets it clean and nice. And then the air compressor just kind of pulls the leftover debris and helps clean the brake clean out. That's not going to evaporate. Now, you know, some people are going to say, well, you're getting it on the intake when the car starts up, blah, blah, blah. This stuff evaporates so fast, it's not even an issue by the time you get it inside the car. So let's start cleaning. Fill with air! I got this for free from my dad. I love it. Thank you, Dad. Okay, now when you blow this out, let me grab the blower here. When you blow this out, you're going to blow from the inside out, just because I don't know, you're not going to want to blow any of the debris back inside the filter, obviously. So blow it from the inside out. Alright, so after taking some serious dirt to the face, golly, man, if only you could see how nasty those are right now. Quick pause while I clean my glasses. And we're back. So, you guys kind of seen a little bit of this while it was, oh man, now the camera's dirty. Give me a second. And we're back. You guys kind of seen how it was before I cleaned it. You can definitely, hold on here, see through everywhere now. That's not a hole, don't worry. It's just where it's wider. But every nook is clean now. And we pulled a lot of dirt out of it. That's just from, I don't know, there's quite a bit. But it's a whole lot better now. And I didn't have to buy any cleaning kit or anything. So you guys, like I was saying, you don't need to do that. It's not necessary. Just some brake clean and a air compressor. So, and don't worry, before I had my own air compressor, I would brake clean and blow them out at the gas station. I would bring my own air chuck and do it there. But anyways, if you're installing this, yeah, I mean, it all, like I said, it all funnels right down, right to the factory air pipe area. So let's go ahead and let's reinstall this bad boy. Well, there you have it. We're not going to start it up. I'm not going to rev it up. I'm not going to show you guys any of that. Hey, I'm already ricey. No need to add to it. B, because we've had it on the car for a while and you guys know what it sounds like. You'll really hear the supercharger with the ZZP intake. If you don't have one, get one. They're really nice. I'll put the link down in the description. But yeah, there's a little bit of maintenance on her car. She really loves when I do maintenance to her car. And then she gets mad too because she wants to learn and she wants to do it too. So, it's always a lose-lose situation, but makes me feel better knowing I'm looking it over. Anyways, more stuff to come on this. We're going to hold off on tearing it down until I'm sure that there's not going to be any more nice days. With it being the end of October, I'm sure my chances are getting more slim, but you never know, there's always a chance. So, anyways, till next time, guys, I hope that helped you out if you're looking at putting an intake on your Cobalt SS. It's a 07, so this will be for the 05 to 07 Cobalt SS with the supercharger, not the turbo. So, till next time, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, clean your air filters, and keep on sliding.